2020 HEMI 6.4 liter V8 beast of a 2500 Ram. Here's a big one. Here's a big one. We're gonna let you guys hear it and see it. Look at this truck. Look at this truck. It's just massive. Anyways, so I got stock converters there. Then a second converter there. Got a less than 1,000 miles on it. 3.5-inch pipe. And we put a DYNOMAX race bullet 24-250 right there. Continued it with 3-inch pipe out the back, and then it continues the tailpipe 3.5 all the way back. We left the resonator on it. The stock one, he didn't want it too loud, and they're known to drone. So when you leave the resonator, it helps it drone, cut down on the drone a little bit. And then we put a massive 6-inch tip, because you know, why not? It looks good on it. There's the massive muffler. You guys can see it's huge. It's like 5 handfuls. We just cut it off because we don't like it quiet. We like it, and this is the midnight edition. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. Give it gas. Oh, yeah. Again. Sound decibels again. It's right at 110. Do you want to keep the old muffler? No. That sounds really good. It's deep. And then that DYNOMAX, in about a month, it breaks in, it gets a little bit deeper. Oh, it looks so good. It's huge. I think, guys, what do you guys think? Should I get a truck like this one? Let me know in the comments. I'm thinking about it. Should I get the Ram 2500 or the AT4? Please let me know. Oh, that sounds so sick. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nice truck. I'm definitely thinking about getting this one. Oh, it sounds so sick. Can't beat that 6.4, man. That 6.4 is just deep.